Hi everyone, welcome to Higher Ed and Career Path Skills. I'm your teacher, Amanda McDermott. I wanted to welcome you to this class and give you a bit of an idea of what you'll be doing in here. Now, admittedly, the title of this course is quite a mouthful, but I want to tell you that this class genuinely has the potential to be one of the most valuable classes you will take in your entire high school career. I have interviewed students, former students of this class, and without fail, they have all found value in this class. Now, some students love English class and some don't. Some students love math and others don't. And various subjects in the academic realm are subjects that you'll come back to in your future, but maybe not all of them. This class is different because it is all about you. You are the subject of this class. That's why it could be so valuable. So it's really exciting because you will get to dive in pretty quickly to a program called U-Science, which is without fail one of the things that students mention the most at the end of the class as having found value in. In U-Science, you will take several game-style tests that will tell you about your aptitudes and your talents. And then based on those aptitudes and your interests, U-Science will show you several careers that are potentially a good match for you. Students said that they found it enjoyable to learn about their talents, and they found it enjoyable to explore careers, partly because they were tailored to the individual student so personally, but also because U-Science is great and it has vast information that is collected in a way that's really user-friendly and really fun to get in there and explore what you might want to do. So whether you are pretty clear about what you want to do or you have no idea, you will find value in this class. If you're pretty clear on what you want to do, this class will give you an opportunity to figure out the steps that you need to take to get there. And if you don't know, this class will give you tons of opportunity to explore in a meaningful, focused way. All right, I look forward to getting to know you. Welcome.